When Dan uses the internet, he creates data. He doesn't know that his data has value. It's worth billions. He also doesn't know that shady data brokers collect it and sell it, making huge profits while he gets nothing in return. When Dan installed Swash, he reclaimed power over his data and started earning money from it. How? Just by using the web as normal. He doesn't need to do anything else. Swash captures, pools, and sells it for him with a cool thing called a data union. Data unions bring power back to the people. The bigger they are, the more they're worth, meaning bigger returns for Dan and the community. Swash is a safe and easy way for people like Dan to benefit from the value they create online, putting transparency and fairness first. Spread the word. Try Swash today.